Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to do a soft reset on iOS. Let's say your screen froze and you can't do anything, move right or left. Today I'm gonna show you how to restart your device without using your screen. First, you're gonna press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Look, up, down, and then hold. Now we wait. Okay. Once it's restarting, there should be an Apple logo in a bit. Yeah, there it is. Okay, and it's done. You can use your phone again. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you again.